Ready? 3, 2, 1, pull. Wee. Okay, let's take all the wrapper off. Ooh. Oh, there's some at the bottom. There's so much. Oh, I love one. Wee. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, so cool. Lift it all up, Anay. Okay. Then draw it. Throw it out. Bye. Bye. We'll clean you up later. Yeah. Okay, let's unbox. Whoa! There's so many items. Ooh. This looks like a domino. Domino. Wow.
So colorful.
So colorful. There's an orange dinosaur. Whoa. There's even a yellow one. Which one's your favorite color, Anay? My favorite color is yellow. Mine is orange. Mine is orange. Mine too. Ooh, there's a green one too. Wow. Oh, orange, a perfect color. Anay, tell me, how many dinosaurs are there? 3. Good job. Even there's a tree. It's a palm tree. Yeah, palm tree. It has coconuts on it. Yeah. Ooh, this looks like the domino setter. It would be easy. Ooh, I think this would try. Oh, this is. Pull it. This is the bottom of the palm tree, I think. Yeah. Let's set it up. Yeah. Let's cut out the first. Okay, I'm gonna cut this. Hey, there's my set hard. I'm gonna cut the green one.
Be careful, guys.
Be careful when you're using sharp tools like scissors. Okay, are you doing the palm tree? Yeah. Okay, let's open it.
Do you need help, guys?
No. No, we're good.
Be very careful.
Oh, yeah, I got it. Got it open. Okay, great. Now actually, I'm gonna do the domino. Hello, green dinosaur. Oh, it feels a little pointy. I think the dominoes will stand on these. Let's do this dinosaur now. Wow, there's a lot of wrapping. All of this fell.
Okay, they're coming out already. You don't have to cut it all the way.
They're flying everywhere already. Aren't they?
Let's dump them all on the table.
Wow, that's so loud! Yeah! It looks like if somebody's screaming here. Right, Anay? Yeah! Okay, let's get the yellow dinosaur now. Boom! Okay! Eee, wow, it looks yellowy. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. They look like they're actually talking. Let's build it now!
Okay, so we have got the manual in the box and it shows how to set up, make different kind of setups. We can use some of these or we can try our own. Here are the dinosaurs.
They're yellow, green, and orange.
Cool. This is a spacer tool which is really easy to set up and use. We gotta put the dominoes in the spacings and just move it away. Oh wow. So it will provide us the equal spacing of the dominoes and we can knock them down like this. And there's a palm tree with a coconut on top. Can we see the coconut please, guys?
When you push the button,
Oops. This coconut will fall down.
yeah.
So it's time to do the dinorific setup. Okay, Anay, are you ready?
Yeah.
So we are done with the setup. This is our first arrangement. Shall we knock it down?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1,
Go.
go! Woo! It was super cool.
Stop from here. Stop from here.
Yeah, but it looked beautiful. Our second dino amazing setup here. So There's this guy. He's gonna knock down all of this domino. The dinosaur spikes are all being set up. And here we go around the corner to the orange dinosaur who will knock the palm tree down. And we'll carry on to Mario.
Okay.
So we are just finishing up the setup of the orange dinosaur. Let's see how it goes. That's the last point of the setup.
Okay. Next, last one. Okay. So let's put it up there. There. Okay.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Come on, Anna, knock it down.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 wee! That was awesome. My set is ready, and now I'm gonna knock it down. Let's do this. I am so excited. Anna, knock it down. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yay! Yes! Yes! So then it was a success. Woohoo! I have an idea. Let's see the question into it. Put it into a position. Yeah, there. Do you want to make a pattern? Yeah. Okay, so it's yellow, blue, yellow, red, green. That means yellow. Oops. Look at that. Ooh, I have an idea. Oh, maybe both can go. Yeah. La la la. Okay, I'm ready with another one. I'm gonna do it now. 3, 2, 1. Yay! Hope you like our video. Don't forget to subscribe, like.